Sam, can you wait for me till 6 p.m.? I need to finish some work.
Wait, Samir, did you mean till or until? It sounds like you're mixing them up again.
Aren't they the same thing? I mean, both mean the same, right?
They're similar but used differently in certain situations. Let me help clear it up for you. Okay, let's start with till. It's a shorter, informal version of until, but the main thing to remember is how they're both used with time. Till means something is happening up to a certain point in time. It's commonly used in informal situations, but the time is always specific.
So, like, if I say, I'll wait till 6 p.m., that means I'll stop waiting after 6 p.m.?
Exactly! For example, if you say, I'll work till 8 p.m., that means you're working. But it's stopping when 8 p.m. comes. Now, until also shows that something is happening up to a specific point in time, but it feels a bit more formal. Until works best when you're talking about time periods rather than exact moments.
Can you give an example? I still don't get the difference.
Sure. Let's say, I'll be at the office until 5 p.m. Here, it means your time at the office covers a period. But after 5 p.m., it stops.
But what if I'm still confused? Are there other examples that could help me remember?
Of course. Let's look at some real-life situations where you can use both till and until. These will help you. Imagine you're going out with friends. You say, I'll stay till midnight. That means you'll be hanging out with them, but once midnight hits, you're done.
Right, because I can't stay out too late.
For until, think about waiting for a train. You could say, I'll wait until the train arrives. This means you're waiting during the whole time before the train comes, but after it arrives, the waiting is over.
Ah. So it's about the time period before the event happens.
Let's go even further. Say you're planning to study for an exam. You might say, I'll study till 10 p.m. This means you set a specific time, and after 10 p.m., you're free. But if you say, I'll study until I finish my notes, that's different. You're talking about completing an action over a period, not a specific moment.
Oh, I get it now. Till is for specific times, and until covers a period leading up to something. Thanks, Sam. I feel like I've finally cracked the code between till and until. I won't mess it up again.
Glad to hear it. Just remember, it's all about how you're looking at time. Till is a specific cutoff, and until covers the whole time period.
Got it. Now I know I'll study till 10 p.m., but I won't relax until I finish my work.
Exactly, Samir. You're on the right track.